Hi guys, my name is Ronnaporn and today I would like to introduce you the easy way to use Spaceman Cordial in your cocktail. So today I would like to make Spaceman Paloma. Paloma is a cocktail with tequila, grapefruit and soda. So this is kind of like twist one. So first of all, you have the highball glass and then trim it with salt. You can use any citrus, put on the rim of the glass and then put it on salt. Now you have it. Then you just put ice in that. And then you start with Spaceman Cordial. So I suggest Venus Dude. This is the flavor of golden apple and yuzu. One part of it. Then tequila. Also one part of it. 2 parts of soda. Then just stir it. Use anything that you can have. Maybe like stir or even the chopstick. And then add some lemon wedge. Or actually you don't have to, because this cordial already have a sweet and acidity of sour in that. Then please enjoy. This is Space Paloma.